Hi, this is Rajesh Singh. There is no meaning in life unless we give meaning to our life. Our life is meaningless unless we give meaning to our life. So make your own purpose in your life. If you have purpose in your life, you will bear any suffering. You can bear any suffering. You will not give up easily. Whenever you face a problem, don't see the problem as a problem. See the problem as an opportunity to grow, as an opportunity to become more stronger, become more spiritual. When you see the problem as an opportunity, you will find meaning in every problem and your life will become adventurous for you. I learned this from Men's Search for Meaning book. You can buy the book from the description link.